Kingston from JR Trading Zone. I am here with yet another video. The topic of this video is only 10% of the traders are profitable in this market. That is 90% of the people who are coming into trading is out of the market. They are losing their entire capital. What is the reality behind it? Is it true? Definitely. We can go through the words of Zerodha CEO Nidin Kamath. He has a famous statement: 90% of the traders lose their 90% of the capital within first 90 days. This is the danger of trading. Only 5 to 10% of the people are successful in the market, in the trading market. Okay, then how this 10% of the people are making money? Derivative market is a zero sum game. One person lose and other person gains. Okay, derivative market, not like cash market. Derivative market is completely a zero sum game. If one is losing, the other is gaining. This 90% of the people are failing and blowing their accounts, but 10% of the people are successful. What is their successful formula? What is the formula behind that success? Are they using any magical indicators, or are they following any magical strategies? This is what I am going to talk in this video. Actually, stock market is a risky game. Definitely, even it is a cash market, that is equity market or derivative market, risk is there. Two types of trade. One is low risk, low reward. The next one, high risk, high reward. In both these trading systems, the word risk is available there. Okay, risk is present in both these trading systems. Even it is equity market or derivative market, the risk is there. I will say you one thing, dear friends. The most risky in the trading system is derivative market, especially options buying. Okay, but these novice traders who enter into the market directly go to the option buying section where they lose their entire capital. That's why in this video I am going to say how we should enter the market, how the entry should be. If you are entering the stock market, which is the way you should enter the market. Okay, actually, if you are building a house, first what will you do? Actually, you will be constructing a basement or foundation. Then we will be constructing pillars. Finally, we will be covering it with a roof, isn't it? Constructing a foundation, then pillars, then roof. Coming in stock market also, there are some process how you should come. The entry should be right. If you directly try to build a roof without pillars and basement, what will happen? What will happen? Is it possible? Actually, definitely the roof will fall down, we will also get damaged, everything will be collapsed. This is what is happening in stock market. People are entering the most riskiest and most difficult segment of the stock market and losing their entire capital. Capital should be preserved in stock market. Next, I will come with a pure data how these traders are trading and how they are making profit. This 10% traders. Okay, to become an engineer, to become some skillful person, some skillful worker, how many years are spending in your life? If you want to become a doctor, nowadays people are starting from LKG. They are preparing the children to become a doctor from the LKG. 24, 25 years of studies. Even though they are not successful, then they specialize something, they do something special in some department, and they finally get succeeded. In each and every field, all the people are not famous or they are not successful. Every doctors are not famous, every engineers are not famous, every businessmen are not successful. But those who are successful is having an edge over others. This is what we want to apply to the stock market also. The 10% of the successful people is having an edge over the rest 90%. What is that? We need the solution actually. That's why I am telling, we people or the option buyers or those who are entering into the option buying is playing a zero sum game. So it is very difficult and risky entering into the derivative market directly without any knowledge of stock market. So what I am coming to say is, actually you should be familiar to the market, how the market is working, how the chart patterns are working, what are the patterns formed in the chart, and different types of analysis we have to do in the market. If you are a beginner in the market, it is better you should come to the cash market, that is equity market, buying some stocks. Then you may ask me one thing, buying in stocks or equity market, can I make profit? Never. I won't say you can make profit. But in investment also, if you are buying stock also, there are some levels where we should enter. Stock always travels in a zigzag movement. Even it is going upside or downside, it always has a zigzag movement. There are some support and resistance level in each stock, in each moment of stock. I am an index and bank nifty trader. Even though I am telling, those who are entering to the stock market should first come into the cash market or equity market. You just buy some stocks for certain price and then watch its movement, how it is falling, how it is going, where it is taking support, where it is taking resistance, what is the movement of the chart, in which levels you have to buy. You should keenly observe the movement of the chart. This must be your entry path. The entry is equity market. Okay, after few years you will know how the charts are moving, where should have I bought this stock, and how should I average this price, and what are the movements of the stock. Everything you will come to understand. Then slowly study derivative market. Then enter into the derivative market with proper knowledge. There is a myth in the market that option sellers are making money, but option buyers are losing money. That's also not correct. We can say up to 90% it can be correct also, because option selling is quite easy when compared to option buying. The next segment where people should land is option selling, but the novice traders or new people who are coming to the market avoid option selling and enter into the option buying segment. This is because they have less capital. You should have good capital to enter option selling market. Even though by hedging you can reduce the margin money, everything, there are a lot of things like that. Even though you should have surplus cash for making adjustments in the market and come out with profits, or you can avoid the loss. First equity market, then if you are coming to derivatives, you should avoid futures and come to options. There is famous saying by P.R. Sundar sir. Actually, I like his quote. Those who trade in futures don't have features. Those who trade in options have a lot of options. So like that, we have a lot of adjustments we can make in option selling actually. But you should have plenty of cash. With plenty of cash, you can enter into the, what we say, option selling segment. Then you may ask me one thing, if I don't have plenty of cash, what can I do? There is no opportunity. I have to go for option buying. It's true. My dear friends, I will tell you, the top and the most riskiest part in derivative market is option buying. So you should have a great skill for buying options. You can't make money in options buying if you don't have the great skill. So what we can do? There is nothing we can do. We should practice. We should practice again and again. We should be watching the chart patterns, breakout patterns. Nearly 30 patterns are formed in market in different scenarios. There are 22 high probability and probability patterns in the market. Enter only when these patterns are formed. When only these patterns are formed, you are supposed to trade. If you are a trader, if you are entering into the market morning, it is not compulsory you should trade daily. You should avoid all other circumstances and only trade in the most probable patterns. Okay, in the upcoming videos, I will be revealing how people, price action traders are using these chart patterns along with the CPR. How can we find the support and resistance of the market? How can we try to be professional? If you are option buyer, definitely you need a lot of practice, no doubt about it. It will take a long time, it will take a lot of time. According to your work and your dedication, you will be able to sustain in the option buying segment. Don't think that option buying is a failure, only option sellers are making money. No, definitely no. Option sellers, option selling is somewhat easy when compared to option buying. For example, I will tell you one thing. If you are a trader, you know, if you are an option seller, you don't want to time the market. If the market, you just assume that market is at 17,000. You as an option seller should have the assumption that market won't go beyond 17,500 on the upside and won't go 16,500 on the downside until the expiry. This is what you want to do as an option seller. You can sell the call on the upside and the put on the downside and you can collect the premium. That's yours. Okay, if the positions are going wrong, if there is a gap down, gap up, all things will go wrong. You have to make a lot of adjustments. How to make adjustments I will be telling in my further videos. Okay, I want to take this class in a systematic manner. I want to tell the secrets of CPR. Using CPR, we can take lot of high probability trades. I always club these 22 patterns along with this CPR indicator that I will be revealing in my videos. Okay, then the next part is option buying. In the option buying, actually the market is at 17,000. Assume the market is 17,000. You must know the market is going in one direction. Either it is going upwards or downwards. You can't take a huge range. Market won't go beyond this or won't go below this. This is the assumption of an option seller. He is having a huge range. But option buyer should have the momentum and timing. From 17,000, it will go up to 17,500 within this expiry. Or from 17,000, it will go till 16,600 or 16,400 within this expiry. Then only you can make money in option buying. So that's why I'm saying option buying requires a lot of skill. How can we gain this skill? No way, only by practice. Therefore, I will say that each and everyone are losing this trade and 90% of the traders are losing 90% of the profit, are losing the entire capital because they are having a gambler's mindset. Stock market, when they are coming into the market, they are having a gambler's mindset. Overnight, they have to become rich. They want to become rich overnight. Today, they are coming to trading. For all other professions, they prepare for years, study for years and do a lot of works and get a job. But when they are entering a trading, they don't have the patience to learn. They just enter into the market and they want to become Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, Vijay Kedia or P.R. Sundar overnight. So we have to develop our mindset, how to make money and which is the process actually to make money, the right entry and to the market and everything we have to think in the deep. That's why my conclusion is nothing. Those who are entering the market should enter through the right path and enter to the right area. Okay. Therefore, what I am telling is now we should decide whether we are entering into the market in the right way. There is only one way. It is a one-way track. Entry should be from equity market and then to the derivative market. Don't try this way. It is a wrong entry. You will fail and you will be thrown out of the market. Most of the traders, 90% of the traders lose their entire capital because they are going to play with the fire. They are going to play with fire, that is options. It is especially buying. It is very dangerous and risky without knowing the market structure, without knowing what patterns are formed in the market, without know how to trade the market. They are directly going and playing with the fire and blowing their account. This is the reason for the 90% of failure in this market? The solution is our entry should be right. To construct a house, first you have to put the foundation, next construct pillars and then roof. If you have to travel through one way, there is only one way. You have to follow that rules and regulations and go to the destination. There is no shortcut in market. In each and every profession, you are working a lot to attain the destination. Here also you have to work a lot to attain or reach the destination of options buying, which is very risky. Okay, you may be thinking that with a small capital what can I do? Only huge capital people can trade in market. Yes, definitely. People only with huge capital can trade in the market, especially in option selling. If you are a buyer or if you want to become a buyer with a small capital, you are entering the market, you have to study a lot. I won't tell that you can't make money or you can't be a successful option buyer. I won't tell like that, but you should work hard. So you take the right entry to the market. I will advise every beginners who are coming into the stock market should enter right through the equity market and then enter to the derivative market. I wish all the success for all the traders. Learn more and earn more. Signing off. This is John Kingston from JR Trading Zone.